In global politics, the environment plays a bigger and bigger role. The way we live our lives has an effect on our planet. In Denmark, we've had a lot of focus on wind power and solar energy for many years. We, however, also have the environment in mind when running a school. In the following, facility manager Søren Borg explains how. When we look at how an institution like our school influences the environment, we have to look at the amount of waste we produce. 1,000 people at a school actually produces quite a lot of waste. Therefore, we sort our waste. We separate the waste into cardboard, plastics, and also metals. The cardboard is put into this machine to be recycled. It's then pressed so that it does not take up much room. It's picked up twice a year and we're paid for what we recycle. That means that we do not have the trouble of getting rid of it ourselves, and we earn money on it. As I said, we also sort plastic and metals for recycling, and we are also paid for these parts. Lately, we've been working on a solution for our kitchen waste. We've been concerned with the pollution it creates when it's just sent to incineration. The plan is to make an arrangement with a company that picks it up and turns it into bioenergy.
Så derfor er vi ved at overveje at lave en aftale med et firma, der så kommer og henter alt vores køkkenaffald, der så laver det til grøn energi i stedet for.
Here we are in one of the rooms containing the school's ventilation system. Concerning the conservation of energy, ventilation is important. We spend a lot of resources on ventilation and on removing heat and carbon dioxide from the air in the classrooms. This is the original ventilation system, dating from the mid-1960s. This system reuses 20% of the energy in the air it processes. And the new system we've just installed reuses 80%, so we save a lot of energy and money on renewing this system. The system also ventilates better, so the level of carbon dioxide in the classrooms is reduced. We cannot only focus on the consumption of energy, we also have to take into account how effective the system is. This is especially important at a school where learning depends on the climate the ventilation creates. At our school, we expect to spend what corresponds to $7 million on renovating our buildings within the next 4 years. Of the 7 million, about 2 million will be spent on energy-saving measurements, so we give this a high priority. These are some of the school's old windows. They are double-layered insulated glass units. They are not really energy effective. That means they let quite a lot of cold air into the rooms and they let warm air escape from the rooms. These windows will be replaced by new ones starting this summer. The new ones will be 3-layered and very insulating top-class windows. It's important that windows both keep the warm air in during the winter, but also that they keep the hot air out during the summer. Otherwise, we'll have to spend a lot of energy on ventilation to cool the rooms in the summer. We've just finished renewing the insulation of our roofs. As you can see, it's a rather thick construction, and that's because we've increased the insulation from 100 mm to 350. This has improved the effect of the insulation substantially. Before you start on a project like this, you have to get a permit from the Danish authorities. They demand that we document that we can save energy on the project, and we need to prove how much. As we were able to do so, the project was approved. During the first 3 winter months with this new constructions, we've saved 20% of the heat we usually use. In other words, we've diminished our emission of carbon dioxide by 40% in this area. This really makes a difference both for the environment and for our budget. However, the environment is not only important when it comes to our buildings. Research shows that if we all change our behavior and think and act so that we take the environment into consideration, we will be able to reduce our energy consumption with up to 10%.